Oh, there we go. Thank you, Lindsay. We get your news right now. We're developing news to bring you out of Spanish Fork. One person was killed in a rollover accident involved a semi-truck in Spanish Fork. It happened on the freeway just before 4 o'clock this morning on the southbound lanes of I-15. The semi fell on top of the car. There was one person who was dead, one person in this accident. Crews were there working on the scene, hoping to get this reopened by the start of our show today. You can see it.
Done.
The lanes are still blocked. The semi was having rain and was leaking fuel on the road. 4 lanes, we understand, were impacted.
Oh.